Dear parents and students, good morning. I take this wonderful moment to welcome you to our very first video for at-home learning. This video is going to just help you feel at home and relaxed as we start our third term with online learning, which we call at-home learning. As you already know, we have explained the tools that we are going to be using for this at-home learning. I am glad that you are all well and have been doing quite well and are safe. And as we continue working at home, I know that we are going to achieve much as we learn discipline and fun at the same time. First, I'm going to help you go through the timetable or the schedule that we have planned to help us during this season. Here is our grade 2 at-home learning timetable. Firstly, you can see that we did not allocate specific time for each lesson, but we have made sure to cover all the core subjects and also the other subjects to make sure that the children do not miss anything. Every morning, we are going to have homeroom time, which is dedicating to a message from the homeroom, that is going to be me, and then I will be taking attendance to make sure all children are able to follow with this learning as they're at home. Then you're also going to see that I do not, as a homeroom, teach all the subjects that I used to do before, but we have been able to distribute the workload among all the grade 2 teachers to make it easy for all of us so that we do not get overwhelmed. In talking about being overwhelmed, we know that for now there are so many tools that are being used by different teachers and different passwords are coming in every day. We understand it can be overwhelming, but you will bear with us. And also, a tip would be to help your child to have an book where they can note all their passwords so that in case a password changes, then they will be able to alert the teacher, and then the teacher will be able to give them a new password in case they had logged out. We have already been given some instructions and guidelines for the parents that we are going to be using for at-home learning. And as always, in case you have any problem, you're always welcome to reach out and we are going to help you where possible. And then the classroom dojo is where most of the learning is going to take place, especially for the homerooms that we have created. I will be expecting all the activities that I send be sent back to me on Class Dojo. That makes it easy for me not to overwhelm you with very many passwords for the different tools. And again, this has been explained on the guidelines that have already been sent to you by the principal. I am very glad to continue learning and teaching with you, even during this season when we cannot be able to learn and teach at school. But every day counts. Every day there's something to do. Please stay safe until all this is over. Thank you very much. I am Miss Lucy.